We are going to discuss what are the things that affect culturally, socially and strategically, how we communicate. If your strategy, how we make the strategy engaging. It's challenging economy, employee engagement is necessary for successful talent management. If employees are not engaged, no matter how good your benefits are, no matter how good your pay scales are, people will leave. So talent management is very important, and it's not in specific industries, everywhere. So it's a series of consistent messages that you need to convey with your employees in the form of feedback, in the form of performance appraisal, in the form of any other activities which you think employees will get engaged with. Correct? Social media impacts your engagement. Does it impact? Every business is on social media now or not? Mostly, right? Social media does not change the need for employee engagement. It helps. So if let's say you are sharing the employee birthday, you have an employee birthday party, are you sharing out on your Facebook, business Facebook? What if you have a birthday party of the staff? Maybe you engage already, right?
Yes.
But you just ignore in the same four corner of the wall within your office, and you share your birthday party. Okay, that is done. Finish. After that, do you share it on your business Facebook page together with the employees? So if you don't share, what will happen? And if you share, what will happen? If you share, nothing will happen for sure, right? People will come to the birthday party, they will enjoy, and then after that they forget about it. Correct? So if you don't share on Facebook, it doesn't matter anywhere. It's not going to affect anything. But what if you share?
Encourage the employee.
Yeah. Encourage the employee to share.
Yeah. And then
And
people thinking about it, oh, this organization very care about their employee.
not only this organization, what is the impact on the employee morale? When you share their pictures getting the birthday cake or celebrating the birthday party, what will be impact on their happiness? What will be the impact on their engagement? Will you share? If let's say your birthday is being shared, you are the very beautifully and you have a cap and you are cutting the cake, company share that photo on the Facebook page. Will you share that photo with your profiles? In your profile? Huh?
Normally we did it employee birthday party.
Yeah. So normally people will get happy, right?
Yes.
Oh, the company is sharing, so I am getting famous. So they feel engaged with the company. Correct? So it's only a birthday party, but maybe there is a performance appraisal, maybe there is an employee of the month, maybe there is an employee of the year. So if the businesses are not sharing on Facebook, they are not getting the peoples engaged. But if they share it on their social media pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, employees will recognize it, employees will share it, because it's a proud moment for them. Normally you will see they will express their feeling proud,
Yes.
getting employee of the month from my company.
Yes.
So it's engaging them, right? You are getting them to motivate. You are asking them to work even more. Other people who didn't win will also try to get there, right? So it's more about the engagement. So normally it does impact how you approach your strategy. Instant and viral. Anybody can do it, right? The social media. Without appropriate social media policies, it can be tough to combat negative online communication. And when you share on the social media, you create a positive vibes, right? If there is any negative communication, people will protect your brand by themselves. You will normally see there are followers and there are advocates. If you say anything wrong about somebody, the other people who are not related to it, they will jump in and protect the company, protect the celebrity, protect the brand. If you talk about any bad about any celebrity today, there will be tons of their followers who will come after you, right? How dare you say like this to our celebrity, right? So normally it helps to tackle the negative online communication. So what engage employees is, they want to be valued. They want to know, if you let them know they are doing well, differentiate their pay, benefit, perks, reassure them wherever you can. They want to inspire. So help the people to see how the company impact the world to make a difference. So they are inspiring also, right? So you are sharing with your employees your success, your vision, your mission, what you have achieved, how you have helped the peoples, what kind of social responsibility you are doing. So you need to share among your employees as well, so that they can feel proud, associated with the company, associated with the brand. I used to work for Shangri-La and I'm still proud to be associated with Shangri-La. I can still say with a proud that okay, I was associated with Shangri-La, because Shangri-La they are doing a lot of corporate social responsibility. They are doing a lot about the employee engagement. And how they do it, they engage the employees. They tell the employees what they are doing, and they ask employees to do it actually, and they share on their social media, they share on their Facebook, they share internal programs. So it's not only externally and internally, it's also on their platforms, other platforms, official platforms. So what matters to the employee, inform them for the problem before they read or hear about them in the media. So because social media is there, right? If the company has problems, the employees want to know, because it will affect them, right? It will affect their job, it will affect their security, not only the company. Maybe they don't have answer, but maybe you want to get, they still expect to get more information. Give them opportunity to ask questions and tell them what do they think about the issues that the company is facing. Okay, if you don't do that, what they will do, they will just think about it by themselves. They will make assumptions. Yesterday we were talking about the grapevines, right? Assumptions. People make assumptions. If they see any problem with a company, they will start making assumptions, and you need to cut those assumptions before it becomes viral. Okay, so social media does impact engagement. It's used social media routinely to engage with the communication strategy, and it can workplace if the leadership is on the board and you are choosing so how many of your company's CEO are on the social media? Do they share the post, or do they post anything? Does your company heads are there and they share the post? Sometime, but they ask you all the time. Yes. Right? So did sometime it comes in your mind, you yourself are not sharing, why you ask us? Right? And what if that senior leader is on the Facebook, and when something is posted, he mentioned the specific employee name and say, oh, congratulations my team for the quite achievements. Will you feel good? Yes. Right? If you follow some of the companies here like LinkedIn, their CEO is usually sharing. Yes. You see if you follow the FMI, which bank la? Hal Boscher is on the, which bank is it? FMI? No. He is the FMI CEO, right? Wave Money. Yeah, Sajpan CEO, he is on the LinkedIn, and he continue to share the post, he continue to name the employees. There are other peoples also who are doing it in Myanmar, right? So these CEOs, when you feel them like, okay, they are leaders, because they are encouraging their employees to do more by sharing their names, by engaging them. If you don't see your leaders engaging in the community, you will also not do anything. Correct? Just only sharing on the Facebook is not enough. You need to engage. Yes. Engage means you need to comment, you need to make post. And if the leaders are doing it, the company employees are getting more motivated. Right? Do it consistent. Not like, okay, once in a year you post and then you feel happy about it. Right? That we are on the social media. Don't do like that. If you are the leader, Do it consistently, and this is something which is happening more and more in social media. You need to be on social media, helping the employees, helping the company, get them engaged. Even if you are not doing it by yourself, you are using your assistants to do it, but your name should be there.
Yes.
Perception is very important. Okay, how do you want people to feel about working in your company? So how will you make that perception? You need to make that perception, right? If you want people to feel happy about working in your company, you need to do that deliberately. You need to have a strategy how you are going to do that. How do you want them to represent the promise, your organization brand externally, right? Because let's say your company is promoting we are going to be honest, and your company is doing the bribes also. So will the employee feel comfortable or confident enough in promoting outside we are honest company? No, right? Because you actually are not doing it.
Yes.
Right? In your organization you may have a culture of accepting the bribes or giving the bribes or to get the work done from government entities faster. In that case, if you are just promoting the brand outside that you are honest company, you care for the values, employees will not be feel comfortable about sharing that brand, or they will not be the advocate of your company. But if you are, then they will become automatically represent you online, that this you are standing up to the values, right? When you want your CEOs or other leaders to be perceived internally and externally, how you want them? Do you want them to become a leader? Do you want them to become just a taskmaster, or you want them to feel like a motivational leader, right? So their presence can communicate a lot of things.